To turn on microphone access on Android, start by going to your device's Settings app. This can usually be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, scroll down and select the Apps option. In the Apps menu, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Select the app for which you want to enable microphone access. If you are not sure which app you want to enable microphone access for, you can also go to the Permissions section in the Settings app. In the Permissions section, select the microphone option. This will show you a list of all the apps that have requested access to your device's microphone. Find the app you want to enable microphone access for and toggle the switch next to it to the on position. Alternatively, you can also enable microphone access for an app from within the app itself. Many apps will prompt you to enable microphone access the first time you try to use a feature that requires it. If you have previously denied an app access to your microphone, you may need to go to the app info page for that app and select the permissions option to enable microphone access. It is also important to be aware of which apps have access to your device's microphone and to only enable microphone access for apps that you trust. Enabling microphone access for an app allows it to listen to and record audio from your device's microphone, even when the app is running in the background. To check which apps have access to your device's microphone, go to the Settings app and select the Apps option. Then select the Permissions option and select the Microphone option. This will show you a list of all the apps that have been granted access to your device's microphone. By following these steps, you can easily enable or disable microphone access for any app on your Android device. Remember to only enable microphone access for apps that you trust, and to regularly review the permissions you have granted to different apps to ensure your device and your personal data remain secure.